not to do during a traffic stop.
Hi.
Hey, how are you guys?
Okay.
Officer Cracker Boise Police. Reason I'm stopping.
Oh, not with the box. Not when you're eating the box. Oh, this is ruining the entire taste of that meal.
It is. I just got it from my dad. Wait, no, it's not expired.
Okay, so here's the issue, right? That's not the license plate that's on the car. Okay, so
What license plate? I just got it.
As a 2 Charles license plate. So even
You
if
mean a Canyon County license plate?
Canyon County license plate. So that's what's displayed.
Bro, I could never eat Taco Bell again. Her face tat, like that's the only one. I feel like you do that after you've had other things all over. I feel like that's not good on its own.
Okay, so if that's what is actually it's registered under, then what it is a fictitious display. You can't have an old plate.
Well, what do I do if I don't have the new plates delivered yet?
Take the old plates off.
Oh, I don't know. My dad was the one handling everything.
So yeah, as long as if you take the old plates off and just leave the temporary registration in the window, yeah.
Okay.
As long as you have a
I was ready for some belligerent attitude, and this is way too tame. I'm not happy with this.
temporary registration in the window, you're okay. And we can see it, then you're okay.
So I'm free to roll these windows. It's kind of cold out here.
Yep, that's fine, man.
No, not the finna.
Info.
What's that?
Did he actually have a driver's license?
Yeah, South Carolina.
Okay.
Dude in the back. I didn't see him at first.
Yeah, I didn't.
Hiding.
I barely saw. Like
I did not see him at all.
I walked up there. Wonder if he's got a warrant.
Yeah, and he doesn't have a seatbelt on.
We'll see if I can get the.
He's hiding with the seatbelt. I would give you away.
This bag.
Thank you.
And then, can you roll the back window down for me, sir? This one.
No, there's no reason to.
This one. There is actually. I need to ID him.
Okay, Dad, I
do. He's not wearing a seatbelt.
What kind of?
Oh, he's
He's not wearing a
not.
seatbelt. It's a citable offense, so I need to know who I need to write that citation to.
Okay.
Okay, so I need to be able to identify him.
They give you.
Oh.
Oh no! She just
sir,
kept going. I
Let me see your
couldn't.
hands, please. Hey,
Oh,
sir.
she's just going-
back
she's
seat.
going
I need to
in.
be able to see your hands. Show me your right hand.
You care if I wake him up?
Sir, back seat, show me your right hand. Okay, keep that where I can see it. You understand? I'm going to pull him out.
Yep.
All right, here's what I need you to do. I need you to put both of your hands on the back seat rest.
Dude, why can't you?
Put your hands on the seat rest. Put your hands on the back seat.
Dude, I didn't know they could give you a ticket just for sitting in the back seat without a seatbelt. But I'm sure he's just taking it far because they're being weird.
Sir,
No, I didn't do nothing.
2214 code 1. Here's the thing, sir.
Oh, he's talking about running.
I have a legal reason to identify you. I do. You weren't wearing your seatbelt.
This seatbelt doesn't work.
Okay. Either way, that's not the issue. The issue is that you were not wearing a seatbelt. When I asked you, no, it wouldn't, because he's an adult. If he was a minor, it would be. When I'm talking to you, you were hiding your hands from me. Okay, that is pretty suspicious. I have every reason to have you step out of the vehicle.
No, I am a minor.
Okay.
That's actually, if you don't have ID, I feel like that's a good excuse.
If you just keep your hands where I can see them, okay? But I need to identify you, all right? What's your last name, sir?
I know it depends on the state where you're at, if that's actually true. So that's not true everywhere.
What's your date of birth? What year? 2000? So if you were born in 2000, that means you're not a minor like you were just telling me.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, stop fucking reaching. You understand me? Don't fucking reach. Roll your window down. You need to stop reaching. You understand?
That's what I'm talking about. This is getting serious. That's exactly what I was waiting for. Thank God.
Sir, understand that I can control your movements right now. You understand that? So here's what we're going to do. Put your hands on the back of the seat rest. Driver, unlock the car.
You're not getting me out the car, homie.
Look, is he hiding?
You're not getting me out the car.
Hey, what the f are you doing, man?
Hey!
Shoot me then, bitch.
He's-
Shoot me.
Get out of the car. You two, out of the car.
Shoot me then.
2014.
Get out of the car.
There they
Fuck
are.
yourself, get out of the car.
Sorry, units code 3. He's got a knife.
Wow. A knife.
Get away.
No.
Get away. Get out of the car.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. No. Get back here, dude. Get back here.
Don't do it.
Get back here, sir. Get back here.
What, you gonna shoot me too, man?
Back over here, man.
Hey,
Hey, stop.
I hope it's a good reason that he's running. Holy shit.
2215 pursuit.
Really getting his exercise in today.
Just turned eastbound Highland. Black male adult. Tan jacket. Blue jeans. Armed with a knife.
Why did he like pull it out?
Yep, he just went around this.
Well, it's a knife. You don't really have to be that worried.
Can be a black male adult, tan jacket, blue jeans. We're currently at 517 Highland. He's in the.
Just because it's not a gun.
He ran back into this gated area. We need to start setting a perimeter. I'm on the north side. We can get some people to the east and south.
Why didn't he just pull out his taser? I feel like he kind of failed his job of stopping the guy. I feel like they do that a lot. I mean, there was a lot of mistakes there, I feel like. And he waited for the perfect moment for him to back up and get out the way. Like, what? You gave him a complete exit. I don't know. I thought that was sloppy. They're just looking for him this whole time. Oh my god.
911 caller reports seeing the suspect jumping fences and traveling through people's properties.
Stop right there! Boise police, stop right there! Do not move! On the ground!
Oh,
All right, I'm challenging him. He's coming at me with the knife. Stop right there! Do not move!
Yeah. I mean, y'all didn't even try to tase him. They just straight up shot that dude? Was that okay? I hope that's okay.
Shots fired. Suspect is down. Knife is still in his hand. Dope.
I mean, I know he has a knife, but I feel like you still try to, I don't know, tase him or something? That's, wow.
Goodbye. Put the knife down.
I don't know. I think I should just skip all of that. Yeah. Holy shit. I don't know if that's okay to show, so I'm not going to even bother with that.
I'm sure they'll find us.
You guys all good?
Yeah.
Is there anybody else?
No, just me. I'm gonna go update.
This he was justified.
Wow. I hope that was okay. I'm just gonna move on. I'm just gonna pretend that didn't happen. All right. Wow. Next one. That was more than I wanted. I know I said I wanted something, but karma, or I guess damn.